Hi everyone, this is the another example on echelon form. See the statement. Apply only row operations. We have to apply only row operations to find the rank of the matrix of this one. Okay. So by applying only row operations, we can get the echelon form only. So sometimes instead of echelon form, statement can be asked as in this way. Okay. See here. First of all, we have to write the given matrix once again in the solution. You can put the name for given matrix as capital A. In general, we can represent the matrices with the single capital letters only. Okay. So what is the procedure to get the echelon form? By using the first pivot element to make below 3 elements to 0. Don't forget it. We have to make these 3 elements to 0 by using this element. After that, maybe there is another element here. Maybe 4 is not present in this place. By using this A to 2 element, we have to make this below 2 elements to 0. Still, third diagonal element is not 0. If it is a non-zero element, by using this element, we have to make below element is 0. Just by using diagonal elements, we have to make the below elements to 0. For that purpose, we should apply only row operations. Don't forget it. So, we are very lucky. In this problem also, we have first element is 1. If there is, suppose if it is not 1, try to make it 1 by interchanging the rows. Okay. If there is now possible to make it 1, then you can leave it. You can do the operations as usually. So, what are the operations here? If it is 1, we can easily write the operations. Since it is 2, you should multiply the first row with 2 and subtract from R2. R2 minus 2R1. Next, R3 implies R3 minus, since it is 3, you should get 3 here. That's why you should multiply the first row with 3 only. 3R1. Next, R4 should be changed as R4 minus, since here we have 6, you should multiply the first row with 6. So you will get 6R1. Okay. Since R terms are positive, you should subtract them only. Now I will write the calculation here only. To avoid the numerical mistakes, don't use any rough. You can present the numerical calculations in this part only. So what is R2? 2, 4, 3, 2. Now multiply the R1 with 2. Each and every element in the first row you have to multiply with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0. So subtract all terms. So you can change the sign. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 2 minus 0 2. This is the second row. Now write R3 as usually here. 3 2 1 3. Next, you should multiply the each and every element in the first row with 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 zeros are 0. Subtract each and every term. 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 6, it would be minus 4, 1 minus 9, minus 8, 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, now what about this one? R4, right? R4 blindly. 6, 8, 7, 5. You should multiply each and every element in R1 with 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 zeros are 0. Subtract the terms. So 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 12, it would be minus 4, 7 minus 18, minus 11, 5 minus 0, 5. Okay. In my opinion, don't depend on too much on scientific calculator. Okay. Don't depend on scientific calculator too much. These are very simple calculations. So with these operations, the above matrix becomes to how? Okay. Don't disturb the first row because we are disturbing only R2, R3, R4. So first row is similar row. 1, 2, 3, 0. This is the second row. 0, 0, minus 3, 2. Third row. 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3. Last row. 0, minus 4, minus 11, 5. Okay. Now according to the procedure, by using the second diagonal element, we have to make below two elements to 0. But we can't use this term because this second diagonal element is already 0. Okay. So this is called second pivot element. This second pivot element never becomes to 0. That's why we can interchange the rows. You can change R2 and R3, otherwise R2 and R4 as you wish. I am interchanging R2 and R3. What is the symbol for R2 and R3? We can write R2 in R3 and we can interchange R3 in R2. This is the symbol for interchanging of R2 and R3. Some of the members can also written as R2 interchanges R3. Okay, if which symbol is familiar to you, you can use that symbol, no problem. There is no issue writing the symbols of row operations. 1, 2, 3, 0. Interchange second row as, third row as second row. 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3. 0, 0, minus 3, 2. Last row is same row. Okay. Now by using the second pivot element, now pivot element is not 0. So by using this element, we have to make below two elements to 0. But already this element is 0. So it is enough to make this element to 0. It's enough. For that purpose, both are same. You can subtract them. R4 implies R4 minus R2. With this operation, the above matrix A becomes to first three rows are same. 1, 2, 3, 0. 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3. 0, 0, minus 3, 2. 0, 0, minus 0, 0, minus 4, minus of minus, plus 4, it would be 0. And minus 11, minus of minus plus 8, minus 11 plus 8, it would be 3. Oh, negative 3, don't forget it. Don't forget the negative sign. Minus 11 plus 8. 5 minus 3, it would be 2. Now, still third diagonal element, third pivot element is non-zero. So that's why by using this element, we have to make it 0. Okay. Only one rule is there. To get the echelon form, by using diagonal elements, we have to make below elements to 0. It's enough. So, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. What is the operation to make it 0? Both are same. You can subtract the rows. R4 implies very easy problem. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 0. 0 minus 4 minus 8, 3. 0, 0 minus 3, 2. 0, 0 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So automatically every student can easily identify whether we get the echelon form or not. Okay. If there is any 0 row, that 0 row should be bottom of the matrix. And the number of starting zeros increased row by row. Since here we have 1 0, the next row should get more than 1 zeros. There are 2 zeros, no problem. Sometimes you may have third 0 also. In the next row you may get more than 2 zeros. Here we have 4 zeros. That's why second condition of the definition in the echelon form is also satisfied. So A is in echelon form. Now, so the rank of A is equal to, you should write the number of non-zero rows. It is better to write that step in our examinations. The number of non-zero rows in the given matrix is only 3. That's why rank of A is equal to 3. In the next video, I will give some more examples on echelon form. Thank you very much.